The Mercedes Benz E Sprinter represents the brand's transition towards sustainable commercial mobility. Produced at state-of-the-art facilities like the Düsseldorf plant in Germany, its production combines precision engineering, advanced EV technologies, and a commitment to responsibility. This all-electric van is built to meet the demands of modern businesses while reducing environmental impact, making it a cornerstone of Mercedes-Benz's electrification strategy. The formation of the E Sprinter starts with a detailed conceptualization. Most of the components of the E Sprinter are integrated into the well-proven Sprinter platform, which allows the engineers to add new electric vehicle features while keeping the car's iconic utility and design. During this phase, every aspect relating to aerodynamics, weight distribution of the vehicle, and the battery placement is fine-tuned with the aim of boosting range and performance. The E Sprinter is engineered with the help of computer-aided design software to enhance the smallest detail of the car, beginning with the chassis and extending to the electronics used. The use of digital twin technology is employed to help in increasing efficiency in production. This technology actually provides a model of the entire manufacturing process and allows engineers to model the steps of manufacturing and optimize the processes. Possible areas of inefficiency are unmasked and addressed before the actual manufacturing process is started, which helps to avoid transitions between the design and the assembly phases. The E Sprinter is designed to be modular. Therefore, it can be rearranged in many ways to suit the needs of various clients. Thus, it is versatile enough to be used by many commercial users. The E Sprinter has a high-performance lithium-ion battery system as the main part of its electric drive, which is one of the main characteristics of the model. Manufacturing of these batteries happens in dedicated Mercedes-Benz plants with modern manufacturing tools used for accuracy and safety. Every battery is designed with strong casings to accommodate and safeguard the battery from any physical blows and harsh weather conditions. This shows the Mercedes-Benz company's focus on safety and durability. The drivetrain, which also consists of the electric motor, inverter, and additional systems, is another crucial component of the E Sprinter. These components are produced with high levels of automation that are used to ensure high levels of accuracy. Robotic systems then put together the motors with an accuracy of 1 micrometer and hence guarantee efficiency in the motor's performance. Once batteries and all the drivetrain components are built, they are tested at a sub-assembly level to ensure they are as good as they can be before installation in vehicles. However, apart from technicality, sustainability is a critical factor in the production of batteries. Mercedes-Benz has worked out policies to address the procurement of raw materials such as cobalt and lithium in a sustainable manner. The company uses the blockchain technology in supply chain management and ensures materials used are sourced through ethical and sustainable means. The E Sprinter's body construction process combines strength, durability, and efficiency. Lightweight yet robust materials, including high-strength steel and aluminum, are used to create a body that is both energy efficient and capable of handling heavy loads. Robots perform welding, bonding, and riveting tasks to assemble the van's structure with a level of precision unattainable by human hands alone. Every joint and seam is inspected to ensure structural integrity and safety. Following the creation of the body, it goes to the painting line, which deals with appearance and protection against rust. The most common painting process is as follows. Prior to painting, the body is first washed down and then treated with anti-corrosive solutions. Then follows the electrophoretic coating, which provides the car with a smooth base on which the paint will stick properly. The body is then sprayed with several coats of water-soluble paint, thus being environmentally friendly and giving a professional look. Last, to seal the paint and make it immune to scratches, ultraviolet rays, and other hazards, it is given a coat of clear varnish. Here, Mercedes-Benz remains consistent with commitments to sustainability in all aspects, including energy-efficient drying systems and waste materials recycling. The assembly of the car is the last step in building the E Sprinter, and one can really see the vehicle coming together at this point. The drivetrain and battery pack are pre-assembled and then installed into the body with great care. This means accuracy and organization are important because the positioning and integration of these elements are vital for the vehicle's function and stability. At Mercedes Benz, professional workers are combined with technology to guarantee that each of these steps is done to the best standards. The interior components like seats, dashboards, and infotainment systems are then fitted into the car next. All these parts are meant to give the comfort and utility that the clients look for in Mercedes-Benz cars. At the same time, the external accessories, such as the doors, lights, and trims, are fitted to give the van a complete look. Just-in-time manufacturing techniques are applied to deliver parts to the production line in the shortest time possible to avoid the accumulation of inventory. AR systems help workers in placing and fixing large and complex items with high levels of precision. Torque-controlled tools and digital monitor systems ensure that critical fasteners are tightened to the right specifications in order to guarantee the safety of the finished automobile. The concept of quality assurance is the most critical element in manufacturing the E Sprinter. Each car goes through a line of tests to make sure that it fits the standard that a Mercedes-Benz is supposed to meet. Vibrational testing exposes the car to real-life road conditions through rollers and helps engineers determine how the electric drivetrain, brakes, and suspensions will behave in practice. Special emphasis is placed on the analysis of the regenerative braking system, which is an essential performance characteristic of electric cars. Besides performance testing, the E Sprinter receives comprehensive checks of its electrical systems. Professionals use sophisticated testing equipment to confirm that every component of the car, including the battery management system and the infotainment systems, operates as expected. Cosmetic checks involve visual examination to determine any surface defects, while climate chambers simulate different climates to determine the vehicle's ability to withstand various climatic conditions. Only vehicles that go through these tests are allowed to go through the final stages of production. To add, Mercedes-Benz has ensured that sustainability forms the key aspect of the E Sprinter production. The specific Düsseldorf plant, which is primarily responsible for the production of the E Sprinter, is greatly dependent on renewable energy sources, solar and wind energy. There is a heat recovery system incorporated in the facility that has been used to minimize energy usage in the facility. There is the adoption of waste minimization measures across the plant. Scrap metals, plastics, and other recyclable materials are collected and recycled. Water used in production is treated and returned to use. These efforts are in line with the company's roadmap of making all the Mercedes-Benz sites worldwide carbon neutral by 2039. Mercedes-Benz also focuses on end-of-life sustainability for the E Sprinter. The company has established programs for recycling and repurposing used batteries, ensuring that valuable materials are recovered and reintroduced into the production cycle. This closed-loop approach minimizes waste and supports the global transition to a circular economy. Once the E Sprinter is built, it gets ready for exportation. When delivering the vans to dealers or buyers, Mercedes-Benz involves environmentally friendly means to transport the vans. Efficient transportation is achieved using rail transport and low-emission freight vehicles to reduce the carbon footprint of the delivery process. The fact that the E Sprinter is a modular design makes it possible for it to be adapted to specific markets, which in turn make it possible to market it as a versatile and sustainable commercial vehicle. The Mercedes-Benz E Sprinter is an example of commitment to the development of high-quality vehicles with increased energy efficiency. The use of advanced EV technologies, together with sustainable initiatives, has placed Mercedes-Benz at a vantage point for electric commercial cars. This is why every aspect of the E Sprinter, from the design of the vehicle to its manufacture and delivery to the buyer, involves the optimization of the entire production cycle based on the needs of contemporary companies and the desire to make logistics greener. This way, the E Sprinter is not only the embodiment of Mercedes-Benz engineering, but also a participant in the global transition towards sustainable transportation.